Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at how to drill our boards at our drill presses. I have my slot cut in board number 2. That was done at the bandsaw. And I have my numbers in the back of my boards. Going over to our first drill press, I can see this one here says drill piece 1, back goes in first. We also want your top up towards the ceiling. So my number 1 is the stamp that's on the back. That goes in first, and my top, the routed side, goes up towards the ceiling. I'm going to use the switch to turn my drill press on. I'm going to drill all the way down until it stops. Shut the drill press off when it's done. A big key here is to make sure that your board is touching that locating pin in the back. Let's go over to our next one. Grabbing all my boards. The next drill press here says drill piece number 3. Back goes in first. We also want our top up towards the ceiling. So I'm going to take my boards, grab my piece number 3, set my other ones down on the table. I want the back to go in first, so my stamp goes in first, and my top goes up towards the ceiling. Make sure you're touching that locating pin in the back. Turn the drill press on. And I'm going to drill down till I'm through the board. Bring it back up. Turn the drill press off when you're finished. Now I have my hole in piece number 3. Putting my pieces back together again. I'm going to go over to our next drill press. At this drill press here, it says drill piece 3 and 4. Back goes in first and the top goes up towards the ceiling. So I'm going to take my piece number 3. Piece number 3, the back is going to go in first, the top is up towards the ceiling. Goes into our fixture down here. Make sure it's touching that locating pin in the back. I'm going to turn my drill press on. And I'm going to drill all the way down until that board stops. Bring your drill press back up to the top. Shut your drill press off. I'm going to wait for that drill press to stop spinning. After it stops moving, I'm going to take my board out. There's my piece number 3. Now I also need to drill piece number 4 here. So I'm going to take, back goes in first. So my number 4, this goes in first. Top goes up towards the ceiling. Place that into our fixture. Make sure it's touching that locating pin in the back. This one we're going to turn on once again. And we're going to drill down. Bring it back up to the top. Press stop. Wait for that drill bit to stop spinning. Once it stops moving, I'm going to take and pull my board out. There's my board number 4. Going over to our last drill press. This one here has a big Forstner bit on it for the lid of our Gumball machine. This one, we're drill piece number 4. Back goes in first, top goes up towards the ceiling. I'm going to take my board 4. This is my board 4. This hole has to be drilled before we do this one. Okay, so I have my hole drilled. I have my number 4. 4 goes to the back. Top goes up towards the ceiling. I'm going to open up the little gate here. Put my board in. Close the gate. Back goes in first. Top goes up towards the ceiling. Press start. I'm going to take and drill all the way down until that stops. Notice how I'm putting down pressure, letting some curls form, and then letting go of the pressure. Once I'm all the way down towards the bottom, let the drill press up, press stop, wait for it to stop spinning, open up your gate, take your board out, and now I have the big hole for the jar lid to fit in. That's board number 4. So now I have my whole entire gumball machine drilled. I have board 4, board 3, board 2 just has the slot in it, no holes, and board number 1. Nice job. We'll see you in class to drill them.